So, hello to everybody. I would like to show you a sampler of various pictures that I took in my cruise ship gig around Europe. I make this video for to show this picture to my friends and parents. I hope you like this. And sorry for my no good English. I hope you like this, and thank you for watching. Bye bye. Amsterdam, Netherlands. Stonehenge, England. The mills in Netherlands. Inside the mills, Netherlands. My home. Waiting for the drill. Athens, Greece. Athens, Greece. Athens. Barcelona, Spain. Istanbul. Wow, the incredible Russian dancers. Istanbul, wonderful, wonderful. Scandinavian. Bergen or Stavanger, I don't remember. Bilbao, Spain. Morocco, Casablanca. And Gibraltar, a lot of sunset. My home in Oslo, and this is the famous stairs in Odessa, famous. Bergen, Norway, Bergen, England, the animal. Turkey, Istanbul. Dubrovnik, Croatia. Wow. Odessa, Ukraine. Norway, Genova, Italy. And here, Helsinki, Finland. Odessa. In Stonehenge, visit the Stonehenge. Wow. My great friend, guitarist from Rome, Italy, Luca. La Rochelle, France. Sweden. Time to launch on board. A smile in Amsterdam. Odessa. The rich people and poor people in Ukraine. Mr. Pradelov on famous stairs of Odessa. At work on board. Carnival party on board. My monster kid on board. Norway. Pradelov. My great friend Luca from Rome. The leader Pradelov indicate the way for the future. The leader Pradelov and Ukrainian people, Netherlands, wonderful. My home and a bar in Oslo, bar on the sea. Repair the ship in Poland port. I don't remember the city, the town. I don't remember. The schedule. England, Southampton, Bergen, Norway. And now Bergen. Stockholm, wonderful Stockholm. The tour on the waterways in Amsterdam and Valencia, Spain, Venice, Italy, and the fjord in Norway, the seagull in Norway, Amsterdam. Yeah, ready to work. Yeah, Southampton. France, Guggenheim Museum at Bilbao, and Amsterdam, the waterways. My second gig on MSC Cruise Line. The ship is Splendida, is named Splendida, very, very big ship. Marseille, France, and now embarkation in Genova on Splendida. Greece, Isles on near the Greece. The incredible Russian dancers, wow. My drum kit ready to embark on Splendida. Genova, Casablanca, Morocco, and typical marketplace in Morocco, typical shop in Morocco. And Morocco? Okay, thank you for watching.